Here's a quick and effective way to boost your download speed in Google Chrome using a hidden setting on your phone, no extra apps needed. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser. In the address bar, type Chrome frags and hit Do. This opens a hidden settings menu where Chrome stores experimental features. Once you're on the flags page, tap the search bar at the top and type downloading. You'll see a feature called parallel downloading. What this does is allow Chrome to download multiple parts of a file at the same time, which often leads to faster overall download speeds. Tap the drop-down next to it that says Default and change it to Enabled. Once that's done, tap the Relaunch button that appears at the bottom of your screen. This will restart Chrome and apply the change. After Chrome reopens, try downloading something again. Chances are you'll notice an improvement in speed. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Catch you in the next one.